Hi guys, today I'm going to read your mind through the screen. Are you ready? If you need help, you can use a calculator. First thing is you're gonna think of a number between 1 and 10. I give you a couple of seconds. If you're not good with maths, select a lower one, just a tip. You got it? Then you're gonna multiply that number times 2. I give you a couple of seconds to think. You got it? Fantastic. Let's move to the next one. You're gonna add plus 8 to that number. I give you a couple of seconds to think. Excellent. If you need to pause this video any seconds, you can as well. You're going to divide your number in 2. Give you a couple of seconds again. You got it? You're not lost? Fantastic. Now we're going to subtract your current number, the number that you ended now, minus your original number, the number that you started. You got it? I give you a couple of seconds. Good. Now you're gonna finish with a number. I want you to find your letter with that number. For example, if my number will be number 2, my letter will be B, for example. But your number could be different. So find that number equals that letter. Give you a couple of seconds. Okay? Now you're gonna use that letter to think in a country. Think about a country, any country with that letter. Now, very quick, I want you to use the second letter of that country and think about any animal. Think about an animal. I want you to think about the color as well. What color is that animal? Alright, connect with me through the screen. Let me think about it. Is that a gray elephant by any chance in Denmark? Did I get it right? If I did, make sure to give me a follow and tag a friend. Comment as well what was your result. If I did it right, if I did it wrong, why not? And if you want to know how I did this magic trick, make sure to give me a follow so I will post the video number 2.